ROLY-POLY terrarium creation. I have created a terrarium for roly-polies. I've seen a lot of stuff on the internet about them, and people are interested in them and mail ordering them, which I find fascinating because they're everywhere here where I live. So they were all over my Jeep car mats that I was cleaning the other day underneath. So I collected them, and you just kind of roll over the leaves, and it's been raining so much they just roll out of there. They live in the leaf litter. So I have collected them, well, a tiny portion. And yes, I did go through and hand pick actually every single one. I had a family member get maybe 12. I refused to go out in the car unless they picked up, I believe it was 6 at a time. But they don't bite, and very fascinating. And there was a YouTube video, I just saw the headline on it. It said, I bought $1,000 of ISoPods. Watch me unbox. And I was gonna watch the video, and then I got distracted because I was at work. But I thought about it a lot, and I found that fascinating. So I have a terrarium here, and it's just local native stuff. And I do plan on returning these probably to the wild, and I'm going to try to get them to, I don't know, reproduce and be a successful colony. And they live like this out in the wild. They live together. We've got some sticks and some leaf litter. There's a little guy. Hi, little guy. And they can't bite. You can just really barely touch them. Where'd you go? They'll turn into little balls. We've had so much rain here, and if they stay on their back like that, they can drown if there's water, or if they stick upside down, they'll die. And I am terrified to put my hand in here because I saw a giant wolf spider when I was collecting the leaves, and I turned over a bunch of rocks and bricks, and there she was in her giant glory. She had like a pea or a marble stuck on her butt, and it was an egg sac, and we were both terrified. So I'm terrified. I've seen her out there twice, that specific wolf spider mom. No babies yet, but when they have them, the babies stay on their abdomen, which is terrifying. So yeah. So guys, and I have one of those again, kind of cliche purchase, but it's a creature tank from like PetStop, PetSmart, Petco, one of the big chain box stores. And I used to scoff and like, oh my god, my stuff is so much better, and they don't know anything at their reptile stuff. But the more I thought about it and researched it, their stuff for reptiles and small animals like tarantulas and isopods, like here, is created by people like us that like said animals. See there? Together. And if you have any special interest items, just put it down below in some comments, and I'll definitely make sure that I can address it, or at least show you some videos, or as much as I can, about whatever it is you're interested in. Because mainly, I would like to help everybody learn a little bit, or spark interest in learning, and be entertained. Learn something interesting, or have a laugh or two.